Have you ever faced issues with out-of-tolerance holes, vibration, or rework in machining? In most cases, the issue is not just the tool, but the lack of a complete application analysis. Many professionals focus only on diameter and tolerance, ignoring critical factors such as pre-hole condition, rigidity, machine, and work holding. To address this, I developed a complete technical checklist for hole analysis and tool selection. With this method, you reduce rework, avoid vibration, and increase process predictability. If you want to apply this to your process, download the checklist, link in the description.